This is Jim with Pride Cleaning and Restoration. We are a local restoration company here in Wilmington, North Carolina. And we're glad to hear that the hurricane moved offshore and did not make direct landfall here in Wilmington. However, it did cause a lot of strong winds and rains during that last week. And I was doing some investigating in the house that we live in right here in Wilmington. We're off of Greenville Loop Road, not far from Wrightsville Beach. And just to take some readings, when I was out of town, came back yesterday, it was Saturday, so today's Sunday, a few days post-hurricane, and I took some readings. I noticed it was smelling a little musty and kind of like moist and humid in the house. So humidity readings were taken, and we're over 60%. In some parts of the house, we're 70%. Right now, right where I'm standing is 60%, which is quite a bit higher than it should be. It should be around 40, 45%. So they're definitely, that's an indication of some moisture got in the house. There was no direct physical, anything that I could see looking around that there was any apparent damage in the home. But I want to get our meter out to see if there was any damage. So let's walk over toward the front door here. And as I was looking around, we were using thermal imaging camera, which is a special meter camera we use that will tell the readings and the temperature readings on a surface. And we noticed that there's a lot of darker readings in this section. And when I put my meter up, this is actually going to tell the readings on, this is very sensitive to how many moisture even in my hand print. If I put it on the surface and there's no moisture in it, it's going to tell me, that's 17.9. That's maybe a little bit high there. If I'm going on this wall surface, it's at 18. This really should be around 12. If I move further up the wall, we're at 18, and that's at 18 up here. Now let me look around this other wall. This is at 13. So this is more normal of what this wall should read. So, and this is 18. So we know there's something going on in this section. As we get closer to the door, some water may have blown in around through the windows and door openings here. It's definitely smelling musty. This is at 16. So I walked in one of our bedrooms, and I noticed a really strong sense of musty odors in this room. So as I looked around, did some other readings in this room, and this wall, if you're looking at it, it looks perfectly fine. I don't see any there's no stains, water stains, or marks, or any indication that there's water they got on this wall. But I put my meter on it, and I'm reading 80 points of moisture on this wall right here. And if it weren't for this meter, I wouldn't be able to tell there's any problem whatsoever with that wall surface. So, and this is at 20. Now this is actually part of the exterior of the house right here. So it looks like we could have had some wind-driven rain that got in on the other side of this wall and came in and got moisture inside this wall. So we're gonna have to file a claim with the homeowner's insurance to get this covered. And they will pay to have this wall removed because there's definitely some moisture inside this wall. We've got some mold getting ready to grow in here as well. And if I look over on this wall, this is reading 20. Again, this is a high elevated reading. When my other readings should be closer to 13, that's 12. 12 to 13, 14, that's okay. If we start getting elevating into 18s to 20s, that's an indicator that there's an issue. See, this one's at 16. I know we go up to 21 right here. So there's some water got in. I can't stress this enough. That's why it's so important to have your home checked after a hurricane, because you could have water damage and not even realize you have a problem. And if you wait and delay and not have this done and have it meter readings and have it checked, you could have growing mold and things inside your walls that once it dries, I'm not able to get a reading on your wall. The insurance company is going to say it's totally dry and there's no issues. So give us a call at Pride Cleaning Restoration at 910-782-5590. We're on 2020 Capitol Drive. We've been in the restoration industry for 32 years. We're a family and veteran-owned company, and we'd like to come out and help you take a look and see if you have any water damage that may get in. Make the call. Don't hesitate. The longer you wait, if things start drying out on their own, and they will dry on their own, however, you're going to have water damage inside your walls. It's going to be an invitation for bugs and wood rot and other potential serious issues with your home. So please call us, have us come out and check it, and if you need to file a claim, we can help you with that as well. Thanks, have a great day.